Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is You versus Them love forecast for fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in fire sign, this reading is for you. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Friends, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, head to our website www.magicwinstarot.com. If you are single, make sure to watch the crush reading. Even if you are interested who has a crush on you, make sure to watch that reading. I'll try to tag it up here somewhere, or you can check in the channel, friends. I posted it a day back, so you can check that. So let's see. This is a general reading, may or may not resonate, friends. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Let's see for fire signs. Let's see how you are feeling. Then we're gonna see how your person is feeling, their next actions, whatever and what else will they gonna be doing for you. Let's see the theme for fire signs. What's happening currently with fire signs? Okay, so let's see. Wow, the high priest. So definitely you are trying to take a traditional approach right now in your love life. I also feel fire signs you are trying to do which is the right thing for you. And yes, there are certain choices for you. You feeling confused, but you want to take a solid traditional approach in your love life, or you are trying to stick by the tried methods. Um, even like you are trying to do what is right for you or what is right for the relationship right now. There are some choices and confusions in you right now. You definitely, this person could be from a different religion, culture. It could be a same sex marriage relationship or something, like the whatever you are dealing with, it's not traditional, your relationship. So you are like, what to do? There is confusion here. Let's see, how is fire signs? Wow. Ace of Pentacles. So definitely you are also focusing on your career, on your work. I also feel that for some of you, you could be trying to manifest a new start or a commitment, a marriage with somebody or with your person. I also feel like you are looking to get settled down, friends. That's the thing that's going on, and you have some choices here. Maybe your person and there is someone else. If they are not giving you commitment, you are like, should I wait or should I move on? Because you want commitment, you want marriage, that's for sure. And you want to take a traditional slow approach in love right now, in relationships. So you want a break, you want a commitment, that's for sure, or a commitment is already coming for you. You know, let's see how fire signs feel. Oh my god, your cards are jumpy. Look at that, the Ace of Wands. How you feel about your person? Oh my god, your cards are coming out like, in clusters. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune, it came out in reverse, which is very strange. So I do feel like there is, you feel a constant attraction towards your person, an intense connection. You feel very attracted towards them. They feel very attracted towards you. I also feel like, the flame of love is still very strong in this connection, but you feel like, maybe this is not the right time to meet this person or be again, or you felt like in the past the timing was really off. It was meeting the right person at the wrong time. So definitely divine timing is at work in this connection. So how fire signs Aries, Leo, Sag feel about their person? You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Four of Swords, yeah. I think you are taking a wait and watch approach right now, friends, because you feel like this is not the time. Although the passion is high, you feel very connected to your person, and there is a lot of attraction, but you are like still fighting away this connection, or you are trying to say like you're busy in work, you're focusing on work, on family, on traditions. You're trying to play hard to get. Fire signs, you are doing that. The Lovers, I also feel you have a choice. I told you here also, you have a choice. So maybe there is this person and another person coming towards you, so you are like not sure which one to accept, what to do. So you are taking a slow approach. You are like, yeah, I'll wait and watch and see where it goes, because you are like, nah, I don't know what to do. You feel attracted to both the people, but you don't know which is the right one for you. Let's see, fire signs, how your person is feeling. What is the theme for their person, fire signs person? Ooh, the Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, the Star, and the Knight of Wands. Wow. So, yeah, your person is also taking to build their career, their finances. I also feel like your person is trying to become a better person. They are also trying to fix their finances or become independent, or trying to convince their family, maybe, or maybe, I don't know, they have to convince somebody to get married or to come towards you, or because of work, this is a long distance connection, so they are trying to tell themselves, yes, they need to shift for you, to be with you. Your person is also very much focused on their creativity right now. I also feel they are feeling very connected to you. They get a lot of inspiration from you. They also feel this Ace of Wands energy, attraction, telepathic communication. They also have very lustful dreams about you. The dreams are very intense, in this connection, fire signs. Not only you, this person is also very, very lovey dovey. Sexy, steamy dreams, they are having about you. And Knight of Wands. So, yeah, your person is a bit confused. They want to take action towards you right now, and also they want to make the right action towards you. So, they are like, should I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I? They are very scared. They feel so much passion towards you, but at the same time, they are like, I should wait. I should wait. So, that's what is keeping them stuck. Because divine timing has also come in reverse, so they are also waiting, and you are also like, okay, fine, they are not making a move, I'll also not make a move. So everyone is waiting right now. Let's see how they feel, how your person feels about you, fire signs. Six of Swords. Yes, they want to move towards you. They want to break the ice, talk with you. They want to meet you in person. If they can, take you out on a travel. Empress, they want marriage. They definitely see you as this Empress or the Emperor, the Queen. They see you as the mother of their child or father of their child. They definitely see you as very sexy, very steamy, very, they want you in all ways, as emotionally, as physically, and as a friend also. They are really into you, definitely. See, King of Wands, they are thinking about you. They are obsessed about you, fire signs. This person is like completely stuck. They are like, I don't know what's the right word. They are completely focused on you. It is like, they are completely hooked onto you. They just can't forget you, or even can't do any work, because they keep thinking about you. Six of Cups. Yes, they want you back. They want to move towards you. This person is missing you. I do feel maybe there is an issue about the mother, their mother, your family, their family. But mother issues are definitely affecting this connection. See, they see you as a power couple, you and them, the Queen and the King of Wands. You guys are the perfect match for each other, and they know this thing. And nothing can beat this love. Nothing can, this love is like, nothing compares to this love. That's how they feel, like you are their star, the shining star. Let's see. Eight of Wands. They want to communicate with you, friends, and that the passions are going very high with this person. They definitely want to communicate with you before they, they just they just can't wait. They are just like, I want to take action. I want to grab, they want to grab you and kiss you. That's how they are. They are like, this is the power couple. This is the one for me. So how is this fire signs person feeling? Envy. Yeah, they look at you, they feel like you are this amazing person, you are this Empress or the Emperor, so you have a lot of choices. They know that. Maybe you are seeing, they know that you have other suitors and they envy that. I am the same as everybody but with different challenges. So they really know you attract a lot of attention, fire signs, and this person is like, oh my god, I can't lose. So definitely they're gonna message you, want you back. They are feeling a lot of sexual chemistry, jealousy, also envy, trust. They want you to trust this situation. They also want you to know they are trustworthy. You can trust this person. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. How is this person feeling? Happiness? Yeah, you are this person's happiness, friends. They definitely want you to be together. I think family or some mother issues are happening, that has affected. Maybe you guys are like having kids, or this is a single parent or something. Mother issues are there, childhood issues or connections with family which are causing problem. But you are this person's ultimate happiness. So let's see. Imagination, yeah, I told you they have a vivid imagination. They are imagining you in all kinds of stuff. You know what I mean, right? They definitely feel everything about you. So, what will be the next action this person will take towards our viewers? Fire signs person, their action. Let's just shuffle these cards a bit. Next action of this person towards our viewers. Okay. Legacy of the light. They feel very connected to you. And look at that, the man, the woman, and the child. So definitely this person wants to marry you. Look at that, the man, the woman, the child, the legacy. I think they feel a very strong soul connection, a past life connection with you. They definitely feel like a twin flame connection with you. They definitely want to leave or start a legacy, a family with you. This person definitely wants long-term commitment and listening for truth. Yes, this person want to hear your voice. They want to talk to you. They want to tell you things which are on their mind. This person definitely is longing for you. Anything else? Follow your own rhythm. Yeah, they know that this is not the time, so they are waiting for the right time to make a move towards you, because divine timing has been in reverse. So they know this is not the right time, but the right time is coming soon in this connection. So yes. Let's see some advice for our viewers for this connection. Surrendering to the journey, release control. Yeah, this is the perfect time to let go of the control. If you are trying to control the situation, avoiding them, or resisting this attraction, it is time to release the control and just follow what your heart says. Follow the rhythm, answering the call. The time is now. Answering the call. I do feel this person is gonna call you. Listening to the truth, because they want to hear your voice. They love you and they want you back. What a wonderful thing. So it is time. If you also if you feel drawn to some other person, or maybe you feel like you have your heart is telling you to take another action, or take another course of choose another path of life, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. Let's see what else. What is best for you, you need to do that. What is best for them, they're gonna do for you. So September might be important. I do feel coming September is important. A woman is important. Yeah, mother could be important in this connection. Unicorn, telepathic communications, parrot, gossip. Yeah, they feel like, they constantly talk about you to everybody, right? Someone working behind the scenes. Yeah, I do feel family or some other people have been against this connection. Sunrise, a new dawn is coming in this connection. Vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Maybe this person is suffering from health issues, so they are working on it. Throne, the position of authority. Yeah, I do feel this person is trying to be the man, the woman you really want them to be. Scissors, disappointment. They want to cut away the past issues and come towards you. And weeping willow, family sorrow. Yeah, family is a big problem in this connection, but I do feel they're gonna message you very, very soon. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.